Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Polaris 380 is probably one of the most sought-after pool cleaning accessories for maintaining a pristine swimming environment and ensuring its optimal performance hinges on having the right replacement parts readily available. Whether you're dealing with a worn-out tail, a clogged filter bag, or a malfunctioning drive mechanism, selecting genuine or high-quality compatible components is crucial for extending the lifespan of your cleaner and minimizing downtime, ultimately saving you time and effort in keeping your pool sparkling clean throughout the season. Number 5. Zippered Bag Replacement for Polaris 360, 380 Pool Cleaner. Ensure your Polaris 360 or 380 pool cleaner is running at its best with these replacement bags. They are designed to perfectly fit models with a clip and square prongs. Crafted with strong stitching and a tight weave, these bags are built to last. The durable nylon mesh ensures reliable performance, just like the original. These filters effectively capture debris down to 120 microns. They handle leaves, twigs, pine needles, and other small particles, keeping your pool clean. Designed for convenience, they feature a zipper opening for effortless cleaning. Installation and removal are also straightforward, saving you time. Please note these bags are specifically for Polaris 360 and 380 models with square prong clips. They are not compatible with 180, 280, or 480 models that have oval prong clips. What we like. This replacement bag offers outstanding quality with strong stitching and a tight weave. Its zippered opening makes cleaning a breeze. If you have a Polaris 360 or 380 cleaner and are looking for a reliable, easy-to-maintain filter bag, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Polaris 380 is a robust and reliable pool cleaner, effectively tackling debris with its powerful suction and sweeping action. Its unique design allows it to navigate the pool with ease, reaching all corners and surfaces. The cleaner's 3-jet propulsion system ensures consistent movement and coverage, making it a top choice for maintaining a clean pool. Replacement parts for the Polaris 380 are readily available and easy to install, ensuring minimal downtime for your pool cleaning routine. The quality of the parts ensures the cleaner continues to operate at peak performance, maintaining its efficiency in removing leaves, dirt, and other debris. The durable construction of these parts contributes to the longevity of the cleaner. Number 4. MAKHOON Rebuild Repair Kit for Polaris Zodiac 280. Is your Polaris Zodiac 280 pool cleaner not performing like it used to? Bring it back to life with our comprehensive rebuild and repair kit. This kit includes everything you need: wheels, bearings, tires, a small wheel, turbine bearings, a bag, tail, and scrubber. It's the most complete solution available. Get your cleaner running again in no time. Installation is straightforward and can be completed in under 30 minutes, even with minimal experience. Consider replacing all your original parts with our high-quality MAKHOON components for optimal performance and longevity. This kit is perfectly compatible with the Polaris Zodiac 280 and 180 models. Please note, the collection bag may not fit the 180. Please be aware that this kit is not compatible with the Polaris Zodiac 360 or 380 pool cleaner models. Ensure you have the correct model before purchasing. What we like. This is the most complete rebuild kit on the market for the Polaris 280 model. It includes wheels, bearings, tires, and more, allowing you to replace all your OEM parts. If you own a Polaris 280 and want a comprehensive, easy-to-install solution to refresh your cleaner, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Polaris 380 pool cleaner parts are known for their durability and efficient cleaning capabilities. Customers often praise the ease of installation for these replacement parts, ensuring minimal downtime for pool maintenance. The design of the Polaris 380 parts allows for effective debris collection, even from larger debris, maintaining a clean pool with less effort. Number 3. Polaris Vac-Sweep 380 Pool Cleaner. Introducing the Polaris Vac-Sweep 380, designed to keep your in-ground pool pristine. This powerful cleaner ensures a thorough clean in just 3 hours. Its triple jet system, powered by a separate booster pump, creates exceptional vacuum power. It effectively cleans all pool shapes and surfaces, including vinyl, fiberglass, and tile. Experience complete coverage as it fluidly sweeps and scrubs your pool's floor and walls. The large inlet is designed to pick up debris that other cleaners miss. Equipped with a single-chamber filter bag, it captures everything from small pebbles to large leaves and acorns. Enjoy a cleaner pool with less effort. This package includes the cleaner, a 31-foot hose, and a single-chamber filter bag. Get ready for a sparkling clean pool with this all-in-one solution. What we like. This cleaner is powered by triple Venturi jets, ensuring exceptional vacuum power to clean any in-ground pool quickly. It's safe for all pool surfaces and captures both small and large debris effectively. If you need a powerful, efficient cleaner for your in-ground pool that can handle tough debris and clean quickly, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Polaris 380 is a workhorse and keeps my pool spotless. This cleaner is very effective at picking up debris, even large leaves. The setup was surprisingly easy, and it has been running without any issues for months. Number 2. MAKHOON D29 UWF Pressure Relief Valve. Ensure your pool cleaner runs smoothly with our high-quality replacement parts. Designed for optimal performance and durability. This part is designed for a quick and easy installation process. Get your pool cleaner back to work in no time. Specifically engineered to work with Polaris Zodiac 180, 280, and 380 automatic pool cleaners. It's a direct replacement for your old valve. Crafted with robust materials, this pressure relief valve is built to last. It withstands the demands of regular pool cleaning. Don't let a faulty valve slow down your pool maintenance. Restore your cleaner's efficiency and enjoy a sparkling clean pool. We provide reliable parts that you can depend on. Keep your automatic pool cleaner in top condition with this essential component. What we like. This part is designed to work with Polaris Zodiac 180, 280, and 380 automatic pool cleaners. It features a quick disconnect and a pressure relief valve for optimal performance. If you're looking to replace these specific components on your Polaris 180, 280, or 380, this is a compatible and functional option. Number 1. ATIE High-Density Pool Cleaner Sweep Hose Scrubber. Introducing the ATIE High-Density Pool Cleaner Sweep Hose Scrubber. This essential accessory is designed to keep your pool sparkling clean. It effectively dislodges dirt and debris from your pool's floor, walls, and steps. Ensure a cleaner swimming environment with ease. This scrubber is compatible with all Zodiac Polaris 180, 280, 360, 380, 480, and 3900 sport models. It's a perfect fit for your cleaning needs. Regularly replace worn-out scrubbers to maintain optimal pool scrubbing performance. Keep your cleaner working efficiently. This package includes 6 scrubbers, meeting or exceeding OEM quality. It's a reliable replacement for Polaris Part 9-100-3105. What we like. This pack of 6 high-density scrubbers is designed to dislodge dirt and debris from all areas of your pool floor, walls, and steps. They are compatible with a wide range of Polaris models. If you want to ensure your pool cleaner is effectively scrubbing all surfaces and you need multiple replacements, this 6-pack is a great value. What people say. This is a great replacement part for my Polaris 380. It fit perfectly and my cleaner is working like new again. The quality of the material seems very durable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.